Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I want to have a quick chat about RewardStyle, Like-to-Know.It, and how to get your Amazon links on your phone. So I have been asked about this a couple of times, and I just want to kind of talk you through it to kind of make a bit more sense. So when I go on the RewardStyle app to grab a link, normally I can type in, I'm going to actually turn screen recording on. There we go. So say I wanted to get a link from ASOS, I could go to the bottom corner where the little link ninja man is, type in ASOS, ASOS, there we go to global, go to the ASOS website and type in, say, Kurt Geiger bag, because that's what I always search for. That's always my example. And I could type in Kurt Geiger bag and click on the rainbow one, which is my favorite. The link is below. I could click on that. I could get the link ninja man and I could ninja him. I can get the link so I can share it on my stories, or I could do a little heart so I can favorite it and, you know, put it on my Like-to-Know.It account, wherever, do whatever I want with it, but it is there and I can access it. So that is how it would normally work. I think I've shown you this before in another video. However, when I try and do that for Amazon, so I type in Amazon, it only comes up with Amazon BR, which I think is Amazon Brazil. I don't even know. Whatever it is, it's not in my language. So therefore I can't access my Amazon links that way. So we have to do another way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto our desktops. And what we're going to do is we are going to open up the Amazon website. We're going to look for the product that we want to feature, which for me is my Olympus pen camera, which I am using right now. I love it a lot. If you want a new camera, the Olympus pen, it's amazing. Link is below. Anyway, go to the Amazon website, get the Olympus page up that you want to link to, then go to Link Ninja, which is in the corner. I've already shown you how to install it on another video if you haven't done that already. But go to Link Ninja in the corner, grab the link, click the little favorite button, and then you can go back to your phone, and go to the heart, go to the section where you've saved it, which for me is currently obsessed, and there it should be in your currently obsessed folder. So it will automatically feed from your Link Ninja on your desktop, which you can favorite the item, and then it will automatically appear on your phone. And then from there, you can share it to your stories, you can put it on your Like-to-Know.It, you can do whatever you want with it. But that is kind of the best workaround that I have found to get your Amazon links onto your RewardStyle app, so you can share them from there. I hope that makes sense. I have been asked about it and I just was like, it's weird because the way Amazon is, it's not like every other website is. So this is only something that you'd have to do for Amazon. Everything else you should just be able to find via the little link man. But for Amazon, for some reason, it doesn't seem to work on the app, unless you're in Brazil, and then happy days. But, you know, if you're trying to get the UK or US version, whatever, you will have to go onto the desktop version, do the Link Ninja, press the favorite, store all your favorite items in there, and then they will be accessible on your phone and via the RewardStyle app. And I hope that is of help. Also, just so you know, the cookie window for Amazon is way shorter than any other retailer. So if you are kind of torn between should you link to Amazon or should you link to Nordstrom, you might actually be better linking to Nordstrom because the cookie window is that little bit longer. Also, Nordstrom will pay you on anything that anybody buys from the entire Nordstrom shop, whereas Amazon will only pay you from that one individual landing page that you took them to. So never take people to the Amazon front page, always take them to the actual shopping page that you're linking to, because you will only get paid on that one page. Even if they buy like a pack of paper clips and a TV, but because you've taken them to the paperclip page, you're not going to get the affiliate commission for the TV, you're only going to get it for the paperclip. I know. Whereas Nordstrom, they would give you the commission for the entire sale, and they would give you a cookie window of 28 days on most platforms like YouTube and your blog and things like that. So sorry if I'm getting a little bit too technical and you're like, what are you talking about? But I will do a video about that soon. But I just wanted to show you how to get your Amazon links onto your phone, and I hope that is of help. I'm going to turn my screen recording off now because yeah, I'm recording a lot more than I needed to. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.